Hello, and welcome to Wonder, Wild, and Free. Today, I'll be continuing my new Love Energy series for the month of November. I'm so excited that I'm going to be doing another Love Energy series because I love doing an Love Energy series because I just love love and I'm in love with love. This is me. So today I'll be doing a Gemini Love Energy spread. So thank you for joining me today for this Gemini Love Energy spread. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining me here today. I'm so glad that you're here for this session, and I hope that you continue to stay with me and join my family and subscribe to my channel below and give me a nice good thumbs up. If you're not new to my channel and you're already part of my family and you're subscribed, then I'm so happy that you're here and you're joining me for this session on Gemini. And thank you for coming to this session for Gemini on love, and I hope that you enjoy it. And I love that you're supporting me, and I just can't get enough of you guys. You guys are my reason for that I keep on going. Honestly, you don't know how much that I can't. You just don't know how much like the reason that I keep going is because of you guys. The support that I get when I look at that number and I see that it keeps going up, that's my motivation. You honestly don't understand. That's my motivation to keep going, is you guys. So I'm going to begin our session with the incense. This is anti-stress. And I was thinking of doing the contest. I kind of want to do, I was going to do a video on it, but yeah, I think I want to do a video on it. The video of the contest that I wanted to start. But I think I want to do a video on, once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a drawing, and I'm going to send some incense and also an incense holder, a really pretty incense holder, and a bunch of different types of incense to maybe 2 or 3 subscribers. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna send an incense package to 2 or 3 subscribers once I hit 100 subscribers. So that's my contest. I think I'm gonna start doing, and I'm gonna mention it on my other videos as well, and I'm gonna put it up on my discussion page. Alright, so make sure that you subscribe below so you can get in on that package, because incense are the bomb, especially when you're meditating and doing yoga. They just give you that extra oomph, that moksha, that pranayama, Okay, so let's get into it, Geminis. Love energy. Geminis. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Gemini. Oh my gosh. Wow. You're truly being a Gemini right now, Gems. This reading is insane. Okay. So, let me... Okay. Current energy. We got the King of Wands. No, King... yeah, King of Wands. King of Wands for your current energy. And that's fire energy, okay? So with the King of Wands, we're talking about entrepreneur, dynamic man, and he can be rash. Not all the time, but he can if you piss him off. And he's fire energy, okay? So, are we talking about you, or are we talking about that significant other? Is that significant other treating you rash? Is that significant other treating you rash? Is it that entrepreneur? Is he an entrepreneur? As in, nobody really uses that word anymore, but is he sort of like a businessman? Does he work in sales? Sort of like does he sell stuff? What states does he work in a cell phone place? Does he sell hotels, packages, stuff like that? Does he work for UPS, FedEx? Does he sell what was that? A hotel? I said hotel packages, different hotel getaways and different things like that. Anything that you can sell to somebody, or just any kind of like business thing. That's kind of like a King of Wands where he can flip it, or he's a realtor also like that. Something where it's a business type. Okay? That's a King of Wands type of energy. It could be a female as well. Female is just as powerful. But is this person treating you a certain type of way? Alright? In the mind, we have this King of Cups. And then King of Cups is a very sweet guy. He's the guy that becomes your best friend before he becomes your lover. Okay? He's the guy that knows that you like ketchup and mustard and no pickles on your burger. Okay? He goes and orders your burger and says, "Oh no, she likes ketchup and mustard, but don't put any pickles on her burger." Okay? And then you fall in love with him because he knows how you like things, not because of his looks. That's the kind of King of Cups, okay? The King of Cups is your best friend before he becomes your lover. Alright? So, on your mind, you're seeing, I want this King of Cups. But right now, my partner is giving me a King of Wands. And you're a little unhappy with that. You're happy because you have your partner and he's good. He's business. He's giving you his love and everything. But in your mind, your perception, you're seeing a King of Cups. Your perception is different from the reality. The reality is a King of Wands, and your perception is a King of Cups. You're seeing two different things. And that's a Gemini trait, because a Gemini is a half and half, two different things. A Gemini trait is a half, two and a good and bad, and that's a Gemini trait of perception, a two and two. So you're seeing of different things. You want a King of Cups in your mind, but you're getting a King of Wands. All right, but in your energy of coming towards you for this month, up for the love, you have the Ace of Wands. Okay, so new venture of life. Okay, new venture, new way of life. Wow. All right, and this could also mean pregnancy. Right, Gemmies? With that being said, you also have the Lovers, but this isn't coming towards you. The Lovers is not coming towards you. And with the Lovers not coming towards you, the Lovers talks about love relationships and perhaps love choices. So with that coming not towards you, you probably have a choice of going on with the relationship. You probably have this choice. Either you want to continue on the relationship that you are in with this King of Wands, because you perceive yourself with a King of Cups. And right now, you're getting a King of Wands. And you see yourself with a King of Cups. So, with that being said, you have that Ace of Wands, and that Ace of Wands talks about new ventures, new way of life. It can also mean a pregnancy, so women need to watch out for pregnancy this month as well. Pregnancy and new life. So with the Lover's card in hand, that means love, okay, new love, relationship, and perhaps love choices. So with that being said, with that in hand, you have to make that choice with the Lover's card. And the Lover's card, with the choice of that being said, you probably have to make the choice whether you want to stay in this relationship and be with this King of Wands, or you want to keep that baby if you are pregnant, or you know what I'm saying, not. And that's a choice that everybody has to make these days. And I'm sorry if that's not what you believe in, but everybody makes their own choices, and I don't judge people, and I am open to whatever anybody wants to do. It's their body, it's their choice. So I don't judge anybody on anything. I am very open-minded, okay? So it's your choice to what you want to do. Your outcome is this Three of Wands. And with the Three of Wands, you can see here that this person is turned away and is going towards this ship. And it looks like this person is going on a venture. Like the Ace of Wands said, that this person will be going on a venture, new ventures with the Ace of Wands. Like the Ace of Wands said. And it looks like this person is going to go away. So with that being said, with the Ace of Wands, with the Three of Wands, sorry, this means progress, completion, and that you're going to keep moving on. So, all in all, I believe that by the end of this month, I think that you're going to be cutting that Mr. King of Wands off, and you're going to just keep moving on with your life, honestly. But this is also just a glimpse, and you have to remember that this all in all is just a glimpse, and you have to think about your own choices and remember that this is just a glimpse, like I said, and you can make your own choices, and life is only up to you. But remember that everything is written into the stars. And I always say that to everybody and everything, and I even say that to myself. It's written into the stars. It's written in the stars. And at the bottom of the deck, you had strength. Strength, my friends. My gemmies, have strength to do what you want. Stay or go. Stay or go. Have strength. That Leo energy. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Let's pull your oracle. Alright. We got prosperity. Prosperity. That's a really dark card. It's really hard to see, but it's just the moon in the forest, with a rock and a bunch of rocks, and it's a waterfall and a lot of rocks. The moon in a forest with a bunch of rocks and a waterfall. There you go. It's a good picture of it. It's beautiful. And it's talking about when things are challenging in terms of money or resources, the inclination is to hold tight to grasp at what you have. But prosperity is meant to flow. Don't close yourself off from the abundance of the universe by giving into a scarcity mindset. Plant whatever seeds you are able and receive what is given. I have all that I need, including having enough to share with others. I continuously encourage the flow of abundance in the world and eliminate the blocks in that boarding cause. Alright, my Gemmies. That's all the time that I have for you today on this session. I hope this resonated with you, and if it didn't, please check with your moon or rising sign. And if it's not out yet, please stay tuned because I will be posting more videos. And also keep commenting on the videos as well for that contest that's going to be going on for the package of the incense sticks for the 100 subscribers. Alright, and make sure you like and subscribe to my videos below. And also remember to stay in love and to stay enlightened. Namaste.